everyone, welcome back to Measuremix. So I asked you guys this past Saturday on my Dollar Tree haul what kind of DIYs you wanted to see. If you wanted me to start on Christmas DIYs or if you wanted more Halloween or fall DIYs. Most of you said, of course, Christmas DIYs, but some of you did say let's finish out fall and then do Christmas. So what I'm going to do is this week I am going to finish out fall and use some of the items I already have to craft with and do some fall DIYs for you guys. And then next week I will start on Christmas DIYs. So if you guys are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button below because I will have a lot of stuff coming out. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will get notified when I upload a new video and you won't miss out on anything. So today I'm going to be doing a fall DIY with some Dollar Tree items. So I hope you guys enjoy it. So for this fall DIY, I'm going to start out with this bucket I got from Dollar Tree. You may remember it from my haul a couple days ago, and it was orange, but I just went ahead and spray painted it with this Rust-o-leum hammered spray paint that I had left over from another project, and it made it kind of look more of like a galvanized metal. So now what I'm going to do is take this nautical rope from Dollar Tree and I'm going to wrap some around the bottom and around the handles, and I'm just going to use some hot glue to secure it down. Alright, I've wrapped the rope around the bottom and the handles, and I like the rope, but the paint looks too dark on here. So I think I'm going to try to lighten it up with just some white chalk paint that I have, just by dry brushing it onto the bucket. I am going to add a little bit of a rust element to the sides around the top, just with some of this brown gel stain that I had lying around. You could use brown paint or like a rust color paint, anything like that would work, but I'm just going to use this in a foam brush and kind of just dab it on where I think it would be kind of rusty at. Alright, so now I just printed off some words here, and I am just going to transfer them onto the bucket just by taking a piece of chalk and rubbing it on the back here, and then putting it where I want it, and then tracing over the words with a pencil or a pen, and then I will fill it in with this Sharpie paint pen that I have here. All right, so now I need to fill my bucket up with some pumpkins, so I'm just gonna use some Dollar Tree pumpkins and I'm going to make them over. For this one, I am going to use this piece of drop cloth and just wrap it around the pumpkin and attach it with some hot glue and use some of this twine to make the ribs on the pumpkin. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna do for the stem yet, so you'll see that when I get done with the rest of it. All right, so for this Dollar Tree pumpkin, I already went ahead and chalk painted it white and let it dry. And now I'm just gonna take my brown gel stain again and use it to make it look like it's a distressed pumpkin, I guess. So I'm just gonna apply it and then kind of wipe it off a little bit. And then I'll probably wrap it in some twine too, and then I'll give it some sort of stem as well. All right, guys, I hope you liked this piece of fall decor. I think the pumpkins turned out really cute inside the bucket. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And again, make sure you have that subscribe button hit and that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything new. And I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.